You know, one of the great advantages of going overseas or to see local operations is to get a different perspective on companies that you might already be very familiar with. And that's certainly true in my case on Catapult. So when I was over in the United States, I saw the Chief Commercial Officer for Catapult, had only been at the company for about 9 months, and also saw the head of Exos Digital, which is the video technology for sport. And that's very different from seeing the guys in Australia. Even though it's headquartered in Melbourne, the bulk of the sales actually occur in the United States. And I got a lot out of meeting these guys. So, you know, I learned a lot about the feel within the company for the potential for uplifting prices for the product. One of the issues around the company is, while it appears to have a lot of pricing power, it really hasn't demonstrated that. So I want to test that, if you like, that investment thesis with somebody else in the company. Another thing that we really look at Catapult also is how big is the market for Catapult. Obviously it's got very good penetration in Australia and amongst the NFL teams and the soccer teams, but how big is that market really? And I got a lot of comfort speaking to these guys that in fact we've been quite conservative in our estimate of what that final market size is. And then finally, I suppose, and to an earlier question on, you know, the technology in particular, what developments are we seeing there? Well, there are some developments to come through in Catapult. It's a work in progress, but you know, I was certainly given again some comfort around the fact that there are quite significant developments to come.